Oh, what's this? Is this next? Jesus, this does not sound healthy at all. It's Dundrum. Oh, this might be the only thing I film. Oh, that relevelled. I wonder why this video is going out today rather than Friday. Don't worry, there's another one coming on Friday though. Oakland elevators. This is a very bad lift.
Go.
Because the way I'm recording this will be the last clip. Oh, I love this. But this one doesn't light up, even though we're going up. And for some reason, I love that. Anyway, that would be it. Level again. We are going back down. That's the speaker. Actually, I'm going to end it here. This should hopefully be the final video. If you want to know, I wonder why this video is going up today. Those of you who have me on Discord will know. Anyway, that will be it, hopefully.